Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and as today is New Year's Eve and we are about to close out 2024 with a bang, with so many Cybertrucks that we have customized and wrapped over the past year, let me share one more video with you, and let's go ahead and announce a brand new color as well from our friends at TMaxx with their brand new metallic space black color change PPF. This is a brand new color from TMaxx, and this is the first time that we've had the opportunity to go ahead and wrap a Cybertruck using it. Take a look at this film. While it looks like your traditional black or maybe like a charcoal black, when the sun hits it, all this really cool silver and gray metallic flake comes alive and really changes the overall appearance of the Cybertruck. And as we go ahead, like I said, and we wrap up 2024, let me just also say this. There's no other vehicle in the world like a Cybertruck because it lends itself to being wrapped, and it lends itself to show off all these beautiful new vinyl and color change PPF films that change colors when the sun hits it or when it's in the shade. Absolutely the best. So getting back into this one, as you could see, we went ahead and we wrapped all the exterior panels, giving it a complete color change. This looks really cool on the Cybertruck, and the customer did not stop there. As you could see, he also decided to go ahead and change his wheels, but he wanted to stick with the 20-inch size that comes on the Cybertruck, but also not only change the wheels, change the tires. So let's start with the tire. Instead of the Goodyear tire that came with the Cybertruck, which quite frankly is a pretty average all-terrain tire, he wanted to step it up to the Falcon Wild Peak 20-inch tire. It's a 285/65/20. It's the perfect fit for a Cybertruck, and it is a much better tire than the Goodyear. Now the wheels. Factory wheels will fit with these tires, and that's an option that you all have. However, he decided to go ahead and change them out for our brand new fully forged CT10 wheels finished in gloss black. These wheels really fit the Cybertruck perfectly. They look really cool with this wrap and work perfectly with these tires. Something to note is that not only are they available in gloss black, but also in satin black, but a variety of colors. And like all of the CT10 wheels, the center cap assembly covers up all the mounting hardware, gives you that very cool floating T-sportline center cap. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more amazing content coming your way soon.